Tom, there's something about Christmas that just makes everything feel a little brighter, don't you think?
Absolutely, Anna. Even before it starts, you can feel the excitement in the air. The lights go up, people start planning family dinners, there's just this buzz everywhere.
It's so true, and I love how everyone, kids especially, looks forward to decorating and spending time together. That sense of togetherness is what stands out for me.
I feel the same way. The traditions might look different for everyone, but that warmth and excitement are universal. Speaking of traditions, one that comes to mind right away is the Christmas tree.
There's just something magical about putting up a Christmas tree, isn't there? It turns any living room into a winter wonderland.
Oh, absolutely. At my house, we always pick out the tree together, and then we argue playfully over which ornaments go where. It's a bit chaotic, but that's half the fun.
It definitely brings people together. I remember when I was a kid, I'd always want to hang the biggest ornament right in the middle. My mom would try to fix it when I wasn't looking.
That's so relatable. And once the lights are on, with the tree sparkling by the window, it just feels like Christmas has officially started. Which brings me to another favorite, those holiday lights all over the house.
Holiday lights really do make everything look magical, don't they? I love driving around to see all the different displays.
Same here. There's a house in my neighborhood that goes all out every year. It's like the whole street glows. One year, they even had music timed to the lights.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I think it's the twinkle at night that truly brings out that festive mood. Even a simple string of lights can change the atmosphere.
Totally. And I love that people get creative. Some use colorful lights, others go for classic white. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference. Speaking of little touches, what about the gifts?
Gifts might seem like just presents, but they really show how much we care. Even something simple can mean a lot.
Definitely. I remember last year, my niece made me a handmade card instead of buying something. It was honestly my favorite gift, because you could see all the effort she put in.
That's the best kind. And choosing gifts for friends or family, even if it takes a while, is part of what makes the holidays special for me.
For sure. And sometimes the smallest gifts bring the biggest smiles. But after all the excitement, I always look forward to those cozy moments, like sharing a meal or just relaxing. What about you, Anna?
Honestly, nothing beats a cozy Christmas night watching movies, sipping hot chocolate, and just enjoying the peace after a busy day.
That sounds perfect. My family always has a big dinner, and then we all crash on the couch for a movie marathon. It's the little routines that make it feel like home.
Exactly. And I think for a lot of people, those simple traditions stay with us no matter how old we get.
Couldn't agree more. So, for our listeners, we'd love to know, what's your favorite part of Christmas? Let us know in the comments, and maybe you'll inspire someone else's holiday tradition.